out, wigging out, wigging out, we wigging out, wigging out, wigging out, wigging out, we wigging out.
I decided to get up at like 5 o'clock this morning and do this video because it was time of the week to come off, and I was like, I need to put something on my head. And I couldn't wait to do this new wig I got from Unice hair. Is it Unice? Unice. It's another blue one. I'm so excited because I've been loving the blue look. So, we're going to go ahead and unbox it. And I'm going to show you the goodies. And then we're going to put her on and get ready for work. I'm always bulging my eyes and stuff. I don't know why. Anywho, just put my contacts on. Probably still got crusties in my eye because I was just too excited. This is the box. Oops, it's upside down. Is that right? Yep, there it is. Alright, it says Unice right there on the front. And I was like, girl, you nice. That's what I was saying, but this was the goodie bag. The box is nice. It opens like this. It's like, you know, it opens like this. Really nice box. Okay, the goodie bag.
Hey guys.
So it came in plastic. This just the form to keep it from smashing. Alright. Well, I'll have to tell y'all later what I ordered. This is not on there. I know I ordered a loose wave. It's called a dark silver blue. Let me tell y'all, when I first fell in love with blue wigs, I was watching the Braxtons. And Tracy Braxton had on this beautiful blue wig. And I was like, I need one of those. But this was years ago. But I've been searching ever since. I said, I gotta find me a blue wig. I was like, I didn't want to do it myself because I was getting close to saying I'm gonna do it my doggone self. But finally, I was able to find one. And like I said, it's been some years. So this is how she looks. It's a loose wave. Those curls are pretty. Okay. Lace. Looks like it'll match. Oh yeah, that's perfect. You can see the knots, but I wouldn't expect anything different with the blue wig. But that's fine. On the inside, we have the 2 combs. 2 combs. And 1 comb in the back. Has this nice band, which honestly, guys, for me, I don't know if this helps me much because it ends up sliding up under my wig because I don't have the hair to kind of grip it. So sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. We'll see. But it also has the adjuster straps. Okay. I'm going to use the Even Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. All right. Something I noticed that I didn't show you guys is that it has a lace piece in the back. Now, my hair does grow pretty far down my neck, so I don't use this lace. I don't cut it all the way off because sometimes I try to work with it so I can, like, you know, be able to pull it up, which doesn't necessarily work too well for me because I'll get the gaps on the side. But for those who like to secure your lace on the back, it does have a piece of lace on the back as well. My bald head, and all you bald beauties out there, do you, boo? If you want to be bald and you don't mind the cold weather, that's on you. Me and my bald head and cold weather, I don't like it. I don't like being cold. I mean, I don't like being hot either, but when it comes to my head, that's just something I just can't do. So I like to wear wigs. I think they're fun. I think they're beautiful. It doesn't have to change your personality when you wear it. I'm not turning into somebody different. You know, I'm not hiding. I love wigs. To me, like, changing wigs is like changing your drawers. It's just something you do. Like, and I'm the only person in my family that has alopecia. My mom and my sister, hair full of beautiful hair. But not me. And my mom, she still wears wigs. So go figure. It's her way of protecting her hair. And she has gray hair. Natural. They're both natural.
Hey guys.
Layer number 3. And the more layers you use, y'all, the better it adheres. The wig will adhere. So, right. All right. I did adjust the inside straps here a little bit and loosened that a tad.
Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys.
This is Vigoro. Y'all see that green tag? I'm telling you, no, you don't. This Vigoro mousse. This is the olive oil mega moisture.
Hey guys.
This is she, her. The dark black, dark silver black. Loose wave by Unice. This is back, nice and flowy, full body. I believe this is a density of 150 though. I don't like full hair. I know a lot of people like the more dense the better. They want a 180 or better. I like 150. That's just me because I like my stuff to fall. Like I said, I don't like nothing sitting up and full. I don't. So a 150 is fine for me. So this, I know this is a density of 150, and it's definitely a 14 inch. That's 14 inches. All right, guys. So I gotta go get ready. I might come back with some makeup and give y'all the final slay. But it's been fun this morning, and I thank y'all for hanging out with me. Bye.
Wigging out with Ivy Veil.